Hi dear students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiac's Doubt Clearance. We have a beautiful question in front of you from the chapter solutions. We will just see how to solve this. Okay, I will read the question. The vapor pressure of a solution containing 2 gram of solute X given the atomic mass of X is 32 gram per mole in 100 gram of carbon disulfide having a vapor pressure of 854 torr is 848.9 torr. The molecular formula of the solute is. Okay, so here they are speaking about a solute X. So here X is the solute, correct? And they are telling this solute is dipped in carbon disulfide, CS2, correct? How much gram of carbon disulfide? This is the solvent. Okay, that is there is 100 gram is present, 100 gram of carbon disulfide, and this is having a vapor pressure, pure vapor pressure of the solvent. Pure vapor pressure of the solvent is given as 854 torr, correct? And the solute, how much gram is present? 2 gram is present. Now what they are asking you to calculate the molecular formula of the solute. So the molecular mass is, atomic mass is given. So we need to calculate the molecular formula. So let's find the the molar mass of the solute. Molar mass we need to find out. Okay. So atomic mass is only known, it is not the molar mass. So from this we will get usually what? From the four colligative properties we usually get the molecular mass or the molar mass. It is not the atomic mass we get from the four colligative properties. Okay, so let's apply relative lowering of vapor pressure. So we know relative lowering of vapor pressure. Why we are applying relative lowering of vapor pressure? Because here solute is dipped in a solvent, and because of this the vapor pressure of the solvent is decreasing. So that's the reason why we are applying a relative lowering of vapor pressure. So that is P0 minus Ps by P0 is equal to Na divided by, okay, Na plus Nb. So here Na represents what? Actually the number of moles of the solute, and Nb represents the number of moles of the solvent, correct? So here we can rewrite this equation as P0 minus Ps by P0 is equal to Na by Nb. This is applicable if it is a dilute solution. If it is a dilute solution, very important. What happens if it is a dilute solution? If it is a dilute solution, we know that the number of moles of the solute is very less compared to the number of moles of the solvent. So we say if it's a dilute solution, Nb will be much greater than what? Actually Na. So in the denominator term we can approximate this to Nb. Okay. Now let's start substituting this. So we can apply. So P0, it is given in the question, that is it is 854 minus Ps is equal to 848.9, 848.9 divided by 854, which is equal to number of moles of the solute, that is they have given here 2 gram of the solute. So 2 gram divided by molar mass of the solute, we don't know, we need to calculate that, divided by number of moles of the solvent. The solvent mass they have given as 100 gram. So for carbon disulfide, what is the molar mass? So for carbon disulfide, this will come around 76 gram per mole. You can check that. So divided by 76. So from this, what we need to calculate? The molar mass, correct? The molar mass of the solute. So we can rearrange this as molar mass of the solute is equal to 2 into 76 into 854 divided by 100 into 5.1. So if you calculate this value, you will obtain as 253. So from this we got the molar mass of the solute. Now we need to calculate the molecular formula. So for that we will calculate the number of atoms. So how can you calculate the number of atoms? We know that for that particular solute 253 is the molecular mass, and atomic mass is also given in the question, that is 32. Correct? Then we can, if you divide this, you will get the number of atoms present in that. So you will get approximately 7.9, that is equal to 8. So that means there are the molar mass or the molecular formula is X8. Okay, so the number of atoms is calculated as what actually? Molar mass divided by atomic mass. Atomic mass. Okay, so I hope you understood the question. If you have any doubt, get back to us. So we will see whether this option is present here in the question. Yeah, it's present at the option D. So option D is the correct answer. So if you have any doubt, get back to us. And if you liked our video, please subscribe it. And if you need complete detailed theory lectures and any support for NEET exam, please contact Brainiacs classes. Thank you.